He don't give apes the eye.
She hates to see me cry. He is happy just to hear me say that I will never leave him.
He don't give apes the eye.
She will never make me jealous. Gives me all the time as well as love.